Kia ora everyone, Chris Farhi here from the Bayleys Insights and Data team. So look, the REINZ just released their latest housing market statistics. So what we wanted to do is just give you our first comments off our initial look at the data. And so look, first up, the number of sales was a bit lower than we were expecting. So there were 4,903 sales across New Zealand during July. That was pretty similar to what we saw during July 2022, which was quite a soft month. And so for that reason, we think the numbers were a bit softer than we were expecting. We have been getting a lot of reports about increases in buyer activity, and what we think is probably happening is that we're also seeing reports of fewer new listings hitting the market, and so we think those sales volumes are actually being sort of capped by the number of new listings that's coming to market. So it's something interesting to watch. Second thing was that prices were very slightly up. And so what we saw was that the house price index has edged up very slightly for New Zealand and across most regions. What's interesting though is the median house price was very slightly down, and so those are obviously like two completely different things and kind of weird. But what we think is happening is that house price index is showing that slight upward trend, and then we think the median house price was brought down by more lower value homes selling. And this would be consistent with what we're hearing about more first home buyers in the market, so more sales in that kind of lower end of the market, basically pulling the median down. But yeah, overall pretty similar to what we saw last month, although we were expecting the sales volumes to be a little bit higher. So look, that's our comments from first look at the data. We will be coming back with a sort of bigger video in the next week or so, which will cover the stats and also some of our own activity. But with that said, we'll see you next time. Ciao.